Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today, well, we just arrived in Singapore yesterday. We didn't vlog anything because I was really jet lagged and I've never felt so shit in my life. So I thought we would start filming some bits yesterday. So we went to Marina Bay Sands. What are those tree things called?
Gardens by the Bay.
And we went to Gardens by the Bay and then we finished in, I can't remember.
On the waterfront.
On the waterfront, we watched the laser show.
That's the one.
Which was amazing. So I will insert some footage in a second. But now we're currently in the cloud forest, which is right next to Gardens by the Bay. So we're just going to show you some bits of our day today and also tonight as well. And then tomorrow we go to Phuket, Thailand. Hey guys, so we're back at the Airbnb now. So the last clip you probably would have seen was when we were at Gardens by the Bay in the cloud forest. So we're just gonna chill out for a little bit, which is pretty boring, but I just thought I would fill you in on what we got up to. Sorry if this part of the vlog is a bit all over the place. As you can imagine, we were just a bit jet lagged, and you know, and like I just didn't feel like picking up the camera because I keep going through phases where I'm like really fine and I feel normal, and then all of a sudden I feel like shit and I feel knackered. So it's obviously just my body adjusting to the time zone. So yeah, because it was really weird when we woke up this morning. We slept from about 11 till, no, probably about 12 till about 8, and so it was 8 in the morning when we woke up, which was actually 1 in the morning UK time. So considering that was the time difference, I didn't actually feel like it was 1 in the morning. Like my body didn't feel like it was 1 in the morning. My hair is a mess because it has been raining in Singapore the whole time that we've been here, which I'm not too bothered about because at the end of the day everywhere is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I don't really mind. And like I said earlier, we're going to Thailand tomorrow, so I know it is like rainy season, so you know, what do you expect? Like, we didn't come here to sunbathe. So yeah, but yeah, I think tonight we're gonna go to the Sky Bar. I'm not sure which one. I will let you know when we're about to leave and where we're gonna go. And yes, that's about everything. But yeah, I'll let you know what we get up to a little bit later. Hey guys, so we're all ready now, so we're just gonna go for some food. Down to what would you call it?
A food mall?
A food mall. And then we're going to go to...
I think it's called the food centre. There's a red light flashing here. Does
yeah, it's recording.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to go to a food...
We're going this way anyway, so a little bit here.
Okay, so we're going to go to a food mall now, and then we're going to go up to a Sky Bar, so we will take you with us. Okay, so I can't actually tell you where my outfit's from because, well, this is from Primark, but I actually got it in year 9. How long ago was year 9?
How old would you have been? 13? 13. So 12 years ago?
Yeah, so it obviously still fits me because it's really baggy, and I feel like it's still in fashion, and then my shoes are a pretty little thing.
Very cute.
say hi. Why are you bright?
It's my phone. Do you want some light there?
No, that's horrible lighting.
I'll tell you the story.
Hello everyone. Sorry I haven't checked in since
Forever.
we left the hotel. But I always feel like I don't really like vlogging when it's dark, just because it's shit lighting. But we're currently at the Marriott Sky Bar, which is called, Josh?
Urbana.
Urbana. So we're currently at the Sky Bar called Urbana, which is at the top of the Marriott Hotel, and I will show you the view in a second because it is absolutely stunning. When me and Josh walked in, we were literally like, oh my god. But yeah, what a lovely way to end our Singapore trip. But I thought I would sign up here. Sign up here?
Sign up? What are you signing up for?
I thought I would sign off here. And yeah, I'll show you the view in a second. But I'll catch up with you tomorrow when we're on our way to Phuket. How exciting. Since we've like come here and I'm really tired, I keep like mucking up my words and like saying the wrong thing. Jet lag for you. But anyways, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Morning. You can't even see me. Morning guys. So it is the next day now. It is our last day. Well, it's not even a full day. It's our last day in Singapore. Well, we fly lunchtime to Thailand, Phuket. So I'm literally just packing up now. Haven't long woken up, which is why I look like a state. Excuse me. But I'm just packing up all of my toiletries, so I thought I would show you some stuff as I pack it away, because I wanted to do this before I left, but I just didn't have time. So firstly, I'm just packing away this bag. It's kind of full of like my sprays. I know, a bit extra, but for example, like my MAC Fix Plus. I also brought with me the Iconic London Prep Setting Glow. This is the one that you shake and it gives you a really nice glow, perfect for holiday. And then what else did I have in here? Oh, I had my Coco Mademoiselle Chanel body oil. Yeah, velvet body oil. Again, perfect to give it a really nice glow, and it also smells like the perfume as well. So that's that bag. So that kind of has all of like my sprays, and I also put my brushes in here as well. I just put them like in a hairband and shove them in here. So the next one is this big baby. So this has the majority of my toiletries in. So I do have some fake tan, just in case, basically you don't know what the weather's going to be like in Southeast Asia. We're coming at the end of rain season, so I did want to bring this just in case I need to fake tan. You have to be prepared. I'll just show you a few bits. I have this Go Blonder John Frieda spray. So you spray this in your hair when your hair is damp, and it genuinely works. It makes my hair a lot blonder. Some jungle spray. Don't want to get those gnat bites. Oh, I have to show you this one because I can't go without this one. This is the Alpha H Liquid Gold. So this has glycolic acid in. This is literally unreal. It makes my skin like so smooth, and it really does get rid of like any like active breakouts, and it prevents breakouts, I feel like, as well. So that's a must to bring with me. That's pretty much anything that is interesting in this one. What else goes in there? Yep, lovely. Then I do have a little pouch that comes with me in my hand luggage. So in my hand luggage, I have the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, which is just insane for like chapped lips. If you've got any like seriously dry areas, then this is just incredible. It basically, it's not like a moisturiser because you wouldn't put it all over your skin, but it's just really good. Like get rid of, I can't speak. Oh my god, getting rid of any like dry, chapped areas. I had a heat rash the other day from the sunbed. Put that on it and oh my god, sorry, I just woke up. Put that on it and it literally went away. The other thing that I bring with me in my hand luggage is the Origins Drink Up 10-minute mask. Just because your skin obviously dries out, and we did fly to Singapore from the UK, so that was a, what was it, 12.5-hour flight, and I could literally see my skin like shriveling up when I went to the toilet. So I'm glad I brought this with me. Josh used it as well, and I just waxed it on and left it on throughout the flight. So yeah, that goes in my hand luggage. And then as for makeup, I won't really go through, sorry, I keep cutting off my hair. I won't go through everything. I'll tell you like the staples that I had to bring. So the first one is, I almost forgot this and I was like, Devo. This is the By Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. So I think I've shown this on my channel before. Mine is in the colour Sunny Flash. I thought this was perfect to bring away with me. Because my face doesn't always tan the same as my body, so I thought this was perfect to kind of put on in the evening if I didn't want to wear foundation. I also used it on my chest on my first night in Singapore because I felt like I didn't look that tan, so I put this on and it made me look a little bit more glowy without using fake tan. But yeah, I'm just gonna go pack now. Josh has gone to go get breakfast and he'll be really annoyed if I haven't packed anything. So yeah, let me just crack on.
I'm so tired when I was sat in that place.
Thank you for my breakfast.
It's okay.
Doesn't look that advertising.
Advertising.
What's the word?
Advertising.
Appetizing. Advertising.
Come and get some chocolate.
I haven't woken up yet.
Oh, that crispy one looks nice.
Yeah. Whereas this from an Indian shop, isn't it? They have the weirdest foods here.
Indian street food.
Yeah, and they gave us curry even though it's 9 AM in the morning. Not curry, it's like
it's like a masala dipping sauce. But it's for this one.
Yeah. So they're like chocolate crepes. They're like crepes but made out of similar naan bread, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a cross between a naan bread and a crepe. Like
they don't have normal like breakfast, do they? Like they would eat like noodles as breakfast. So let's dig in. And iced coffee.
Which is just the best thing here. Ooh. I love it.
So we are leaving now, we're all picked up. I can't speak since I've been here.
All picked up.
So we're all packed up now. So I'll just quickly show you around the Airbnb. This one isn't anything special, just because we knew we were going to be out most of the day. So I'll just quickly show you. Just open plan, kitchen, lounge, and then that is outside. Should we go, Josh?
That's not me having fun against. You're kissing your lips.
So we will catch up with you in a bit. We might show you the pool area, which we didn't get to swim in, but I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunities.
Plenty?
Okay. So the day that we leave, it is absolutely baking. It's probably a good thing it wasn't this hot yesterday because we've done a lot of walking. But this is the pool area, which we didn't actually end up going in, but it was because we've done more activities. But how cute! I just thought it's best if I like film this because I want to remember it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm popping bacon. Okay, so we